Take a look now at some of the other stories making headlines this evening. The Scott County Sheriff's Office needs your help with a robbery at Mead Tractor in Georgetown. The suspects stole two brand new John Deere Gators, loading them onto a stolen Isuzu landscaping truck with Mead Tractor logos on each side. A white Pontiac was also used in that crime. Robbery happened on Sunday, July 28th between 8:50 p.m. and 10:10 p.m. If you live in that area, check your security cameras for any images of those vehicles or individuals involved. And if you have any information, call the Scott County Sheriff's Office. Remember, you can remain anonymous.